In this video, I will show you how you can change the icon colors on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Wallpaper and Style. And from here, just tap on Color Palette. Now just enable the toggle for Color Palette and also enable Apply Palette to App Icons. Now after you do that, now from here under the Wallpaper Color section, you will find all the color combinations which are extracted from your wallpaper. Now just select the color combination which you prefer, or you can select basic colors and you can select any of the basic solid colors available over here. For an example, I will select this color. After you select your preferred color, then tap on Apply. Now just wait for a couple of seconds until the color palette is applied to the app icons. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the app drawer, as you can see, this is how you can change the app icon colors on your Samsung tablet. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.